This church holds a body that refuses to decay. It's called the Basilica of Bum Jesus. Found in Goa, India, it's one of the oldest churches in the country, built over 400 years ago. But what makes it famous is what's inside: a glass coffin containing the body of Saint Francis Xavier. He died in 152, but his body, it never fully decomposed. No embalming, no special chemicals, just a saint whose body has stayed mostly intact for centuries. Scientists have studied it, pilgrims have prayed before it, but no one has fully explained it. One of the world's most baffling Catholic mysteries, still on display.